Hey Mandi maniacs, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Blade and Shade eyebrow pencil tool by NYX. So it says Blade it, shade it. See you guys right there. So let's see. Before, after. Alright, my eyebrows look a little bit of a hot mess, right? So let's give this a go. So first, this is the blade part. So we fill in our brow with this and then perfect it with like the spoolie. Oh, hello. It's the vibe I'm getting. Step 1, define your brow and create hair-like strokes with the top edge of the pencil. 2, flip to wide flat side to shade in sparse hair. Blend and comb brown hair. Okay. So we're gonna go do. I wonder if this is more for people that don't have any eyebrow, which is usually me when I get done waxing. Do I even have it out of the thing? Oh, you guys, I'm not. Oh, I don't think I did. Okay, I see it now, like that imperfect spot, like gone. And I'll do it on just one brow so we can kind of see what we're thinking, I guess. So I did the hair like, you know, the blade. Now I'll do the shade. Alright. I'm seeing, yeah, okay, alright. I see you for sure. Like what? This is just like for... Okay, so then you could, I feel like the next step is maybe you'd put on brow gel or something, so it actually stays. After you have your perfect brow, you'd probably want your brow gel on, right? To keep it in place. Hair, come on. Okay, so this is the one with the NYX Blade and Shade right here. And this is the one without. What do we think? Does it make a difference, you guys? Yeah, I'm gonna say I feel like it definitely does. Yeah. See, this one's like all and messy, and this guy's like more perfected. Alright. So, I'm gonna say I would recommend this because it really does work. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a recommend. As definitely a part of the makeup routine because it makes a big difference. It like gives you that polished, finished look, unlike that. So I'm gonna give it a recommend, you guys. If you are looking for, if you need a brow like manicure, something to really make your brows perfect, kind of perfect your look, I'm gonna say this guy right here is it. The NYX Blade and Shade. So I recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and follow or subscribe.